How to upload YouTube Shorts from PC, easiest way. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply upload YouTube Shorts from your PC in probably the easiest way possible. So simply open up YouTube on your browser, and then once you have YouTube opened up, after that simply click on this plus button, which is the upload button. Click on create. After that, wait for a few seconds, and then as soon as this particular button shows you upload video, click on upload video, and then from over here simply click on select files. Now when you click on select files, select your YouTube short video. So I'm gonna basically choose a short video from over here. So once I've chosen a short video, my short video is gonna start uploading, and then as soon as it's uploaded, I will be able to see it as a short. So now you guys can basically name it whatever you want. After that, you guys can even put in the description, you guys can put in the tags, you guys can do everything that you would with a normal video. And then after that, click on next, and then once you do that, from over here add a card if you guys want to. And then after that, you guys can just simply click on next, and then after that you guys can simply publish this particular video or keep it as unlisted or private. It is that easy, only takes a few minutes, and that is how you guys can basically upload a short from your computer. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, till next time, goodbye.